Food may not get digested properly if you suffer from gastroparesis, stress, or enzyme deficiency. Some of the common symptoms of poor digestion are abdominal pain and bloating, irritable bowel, and constipation. Gastroparesis causes slow digestion. According to the NHS, gastroparesis is a chronic digestive issue that causes slow digestion. If you suffer from gastroparesis, food will sit in your stomach for a lot longer time than usual, as it will pass through your stomach slower than usual. Gastroparesis happens as a result of a problem with the nerves and muscles controlling the emptying of the stomach. This causes the stomach a lot longer to empty its contents, so food will sit in the stomach for much longer than usual. Gastroparesis causes slow digestion. Gastroparesis happens as a result of a problem with the nerves and muscles controlling the emptying of the stomach. This causes the stomach a lot longer to empty its contents, so food will sit in the stomach for much longer than usual. Some of the symptoms of gastroparesis include loss of appetite, heartburn, abdominal bleeding, stomach spasms, upper abdomen pain, and weight loss. Stress. You may be surprised, but stress can cause food to sit longer in your stomach and can also cause poor digestion when the brain feels very stressed. It releases various hormones, such as cortisol, that cause changes to the digestive system in the short term, such as lack of appetite, heartburn, nausea, diarrhea, and stomach pain. In the long term, prolonged stress can worsen chronic diseases such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and heartburn. Enzyme deficiency. Enzyme deficiency results in poor or delayed digestion and poor nutrient absorption. Enzyme deficiency negatively affects your digestive system and could cause a variety of gastrointestinal problems, including constipation, bloating, cramping, and heartburn. Magnesium deficiency. Your body uses magnesium to aid in the digestion process. Without magnesium, your body cannot properly digest foods, as it activates enzymes that let the body digest and break down food into smaller pieces for energy. Magnesium also works to produce and transport energy during digestion. Intestinal flora and balance. Our intestinal tract is full of various species of bacteria and yeast that help digestion. Good bacteria kill harmful and pathogenic infections, as well as help to produce many vitamins and other chemical substances needed for our health.